Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the connection succeeds. Power on the drone and controller, then open the camera app on your phone and accept requested permissions so streaming will work. Once done, disable mobile data on the phone to prevent the OS from preferring cellular over the drone's Wi-Fi. Make sure both devices sit within 3 to 5 meters without obstacles. This reduces pairing failures and gives you stable signal strength before we switch networks. Now you connect the phone to the drone's Wi-Fi network and launch live video. First, open phone Wi-Fi settings and select the drone SSID. It often appears as drone followed by digits. Enter the default password from the Quick Start Guide or the sticker. Common defaults include 12,345,678. Once connected, switch back to the camera app and choose Connect or Live View. If Android prompts for no internet on Wi-Fi, confirm you want to stay connected. This tells the system to keep the drone link active. Finish by verifying controls and stabilizing the feed so your flight is safe. Arm the controller inputs in the app and confirm gimbal movement and telemetry display. Calibrate compass or gimbal if errors appear because sensors affect control and video. If the live feed lags or drops, reduce video resolution in the app or move away from routers and Bluetooth devices that cause interference. If problems persist, restart drone, phone, and the app. A full Wi-Fi settings, reset on the phone, resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.